In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in Miro. Miro is an incredible online visual collaboration platform that many teams use to streamline their brainstorming sessions, strategic planning, and project management. Comments are a great way to enhance collaboration, enabling you to share feedback and ideas right on the board. First, let's dive into accessing your Miro board. Head over to the Miro website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work on. This is where all the magic happens and where you can start adding comments to enhance your collaborative process. On the left side of your board, you'll notice an array of tools. Look closely and you'll see an icon specifically meant for comments. It may look like a speech bubble or dialog box. Go ahead and click on that icon to activate the comment tool. This sets you up to start placing comments on any part of the board that needs your team's attention or discussion. Once you've activated the comment tool, it's time to choose where you'd like to place your comment. Simply click on the area of the board where your input is needed. This could be over a sticky note, image, or any other element that needs feedback or clarification. Wherever you click, a comment box will appear ready for your thoughts. Now, with your comment box open, you can type in your message. Provide clear and concise feedback or suggestions that will help your team stay aligned. Remember, the goal here is to communicate effectively and foster collaboration. After writing your comment, you have the option to customize it a bit. Miro allows you to change the color of your comment, which can be particularly useful for categorizing or prioritizing different pieces of feedback. Are your comments part of a priority list or a specific theme? Select a color that matches your system. It's a simple way to make your board more visually organized and easier to navigate. In addition to changing the color, you can also add emojis to your comment. Emojis can convey tone and add a personal touch to your feedback. Whether you're celebrating a job well done with a thumbs up or clarifying a point with a question mark, emojis are a simple yet effective way to add context to your comments. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully maneuvered through adding and customizing comments in Miro. As you continue to use Miro, you'll find that commenting becomes second nature, empowering your team to communicate clearly and effectively in your shared digital space. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next video.